Hello children, back to our English class. See, second lesson, textbook page number 13. Textbook page number 13. Already some part we discussed. Next, when he was about 12. 12 means when Charles Chaplin age is 12. When we are discussing which lesson? The Little Tramp. Here nothing but about Charlie Chaplin we are discussing. When he was about 12 years, when he is having 12 years, he got his first chance to act in a legitimate stage show. When he is 12 years, he got a chance to act in a stage show and appeared as Billy the Page Boy. Which character he is doing? Billy the Page Boy. He is acting as a Billy. His character is a Billy the Page Boy. In support of William Gillette in Sherlock Holmes. In support of, and for whom supporting? For William Gillette in Sherlock Holmes. At the age of 12 years, he got a chance to act in a stage show. His character is Billy the Page Boy. He is acting for the support of William Gillette in Sherlock Holmes. Next, page number 14. After that, Charlie started a career as a comedian in vaudeville. He started a career as a comedian. Means doing jokes. You will see now in TVs. You know, comedy movies. After that, Charlie Chaplin, what he did? He started his career as a comedian. He started his career as a comedy person. In where? Vaudeville. He started in which place? Vaudeville. Which eventually took him to the United States in 1910. His comedian, his career, it had taken him to United States. United States in which year? In 1910. In 1910. He scored an immediate hit. Means he became within few years or a few months, few years, he became very good hit. Hit means top. He is the top of the comedians. Like that. Within few years he became the best comedian. He scored an immediate hit with the American audience. See, he is acting. He is doing comedy. For whom? To make audience to laugh and to earn money. So, with his comedian, he attracted audience of American. As an American actor as well as director, he shot up into fame as the Little Tramp. Within short period, he is having a name. Suppose here, Chiranjeevi is what he will have? A superstar. We will say as a superstar. Like that, for him, for Charlie Chaplin, he is having a fame. Means a very good name. Fame as the Little Tramp. He is having a name as the Little. It is nothing but the lesson name. The Little Tramp. This is nothing but the lesson name. He is having a name fame as the little drum. In silent movies, in silent means without sound, total movie is silent with jokes. In 1912 he was offered a motion picture contract. In 1912, within 2 years, see, already he got chance in 1910 and in 1912 he was offered a motion picture means movement picture contract. He is having a contract. Now he was a famous person. He is not a simple person. Now Charlie Chaplin, he became a famous person. His initial salary was $150 a week. First, initially, starting, he is having $150. In American, here in India we will have rupees. Like that in America they will have dollars. $150 for week. For 1 week he is having $150. He is earning. Initially means at starting stage. But his overnight success on the screen spurred other producers to start negotiations for his services. Because of his hard work and overnight, day and night hard work, and he became a success. In the screen is nothing but in the stage performances and in the films also. Other producers to start, his other producers also offering him for his services. They are giving a chance for Charlie Chaplin to act. In the following year, he signed a contract with Mutual Film Corporation and gave a number of comedies. In that year, he is having a contract with whom? With Mutual Film Corporation. He is having a contract with Mutual Film Corporation and gave a number of comedies. He is having a 1 year, 2 year like that. He is having some contract and he given a number of comedies. These included the Floor Walker, the Fireman, the Vagabond, 1 AM, Behind the Screen, etc. Means it is nothing but he acted in movies, no? That they are the names. Which what are the names? He comedy for which movies? The Floor Walker, the Fireman, the Vagabond, 1 AM, Behind the Screen, etc. like that. He participated in many movies. When the contract expired, when the contract is finished, after some days the contract is finished, he decided to become an independent producer and produced many movies. So at that time he decided to become independent producer. Producer means who will invest money for films. Producer, he is nothing but see, Charlie Chaplin is first the producer invested money on Charlie Chaplin movies. Next, after the expiry of that contract, after the contract is finished, Charlie Chaplin, he decided to start independent producer. Means he is investing money on him, on his films. He became an independent producer and produced many movies, and he done many movies. He constructed his own studio. He constructed means he is having separate studio. It is constructed by Charlie Chaplin only. His famous films were, what are his famous films? He done many movies, many films, but among them the famous, very important and very much liked by the audience are The Kid, A Woman of Paris, The Gold Rush, The Circus and City Lights. These are the famous movies. Next, Charlie Chaplin's versatility extended to writing, music and sports. He is not only a comedian, but also he is having some different activities also. What are the activities? Charlie Chaplin's versatility extended to means his talent. He is having talent in writing. Writing means writing stories. He is playing music also and sports. He used to play sports also. He was the author of at least 4 books. How many books he written? He written 4 books. What are that books? Books names: My Trip Abroad, A Comedian Sees the World, My Autobiography, My Life in Pictures. I repeat again. My Trip Abroad. My Trip Abroad, A Comedian Sees the World, My Autobiography, My Life in Pictures. That 4 books are written by Charlie Chaplin only. He is an author. As well as all of his scripts. It is all his scripts. He was a self-taught accomplished musician who played a variety of instruments. Not only writing books, he is a musician also. He played many instruments. He was a composer of many songs. Composer of many songs means he written some songs also. So it can be said about him that he was not only just a comedian but also an author, actor, poet, director and soundtrack composer as well. He is not only a comedian, he is also a actor, author, he is a musician, he is a director and he is a poet and a soundtrack composer also as well. Next, page number 15. Charlie Chaplin best identified by his costume. His dressing. Costume is nothing but how Charlie Chaplin dressing. The derby hat is having a different hat on his head. Moustache. This here we have no moustache. Misalu. He is having different. Cane is nothing but he used to have a stick. Tight frock coat. His coat, he is having a tight frock coat. Baggy trousers. Baggy trousers means some loose dressing. And outsized shoes. His shoes are not his size. Outsized, some big size. And he married 4 women. Charlie Chaplin married 4 women and had 9 children. He is having how many children? 9 children. And he died on Christmas Day of 1977. He is dead. When, in which year? 1977. On Christmas Day. At that time he was 88 years. When he passed away, he was 88 years. So this is about Charlie Chaplin. Okay children, our second chapter is finished. Meanwhile, you go through the meanings. In next class, I will give you the question and answers. Okay children, thank you.